Alright everyone, we're going to be starting on this assignment now, C6S1 Geography of the Creation of the United States. So let's click on this guy, download. Wait nice and patiently for this thing to go. Alright, go ahead and enable editing. Okay, so in order to complete this assignment, you're going to need two things. Number one, you're going to need to watch this video right here. So if you press Control and click, the video is going to pop up. I'm going to pause it for right now. Okay. You're also going to need a physical map of the United States. Now, you completed one as an assignment before. You can use that map, or you could just use a map from the book, say if your map isn't very pretty, which some of yours aren't. I'm going to use this one here just to demonstrate, but I wouldn't recommend using one online. Okay, so we got our physical map of the U.S. We got our video. We got our assignment right here. Alright, so you're going to read through these questions and then you're going to fill in the blanks here. So question number one says, when the British defeated France in 1763, the British controlled land from the blank coast to the blank river. Alright, well, in order to find out the answer to this, which I'm sure most of you don't know off the top of your head, you're going to watch this video. It's going to show how different countries control different parts of what is now modern day United States. All right, I'm going to pause it right here. So first of all, you're going to notice on the bottom you have a date, 1763. You have information about what was happening at this time, and the narrator is going to explain what was going on. All right. So in 1763, after Britain defeated France in the French Indian War, they ended up taking control of all this territory, from the original 13 colonies to this new territory here. Now the question's asking, in 1763, British controlled land from the blank coast. Well, what is a coast? It's that border between water and land, right? So from this coast, which is called the what coast? Well, let's look at this map here so we can find out. This land borders the Atlantic Ocean, so we would refer to this area right here as the Atlantic coast. So this is the Atlantic coast, which Britain controlled. So I go here, write the word Atlantic. I recommend you use either bold, or if you want, you can highlight it. It's up to you however you want to do it. Okay, so from the Atlantic coast to the blank river. Well, let's look here. From the Atlantic coast to the blank river. Okay, I gotta hurry up now, students are coming. Okay, well, what river is this? Let's look at our physical map. Yeah, it's a good idea. So this river, all along right here, is the same one, and it is the Mississippi River. Mississippi River. Good job for whoever guessed that. So I go here, fill in the word Mississippi, make sure I put all the S's and P's that I need to. Highlight it. Okay. And then you move on to the next question. You continue watching the video, which talks about next date is 1776, I believe. Okay, so once you get to that, you refer to your map here. Okay, and then you're going to be able to answer these questions over here. Okay, there are 14 questions total. There's a hidden 15th question, but I'm not going to tell you where that one is. All right, now when you finish your assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to highlight it, copy, go back where your name is, under handouts, you can write the name of the assignment maybe up here, creation of, geography of the creation of the United States, okay? Click inside and you press Control B. Boom, and there's your assignment. Okay, you look up here. This is the part where it has your answers. And this is what I'm going to be grading. Okay? So as you're completing this assignment, hey Daniela, make sure to save it. And the way you're going to do that, of course, you just press File, Save As. I'm talking to you, Daniela. You'll see, don't worry. Press on the desktop, Okay, or you can browse and look for desktop, and then just save it there. Okay, save. Okay, and as you're completing the assignment, okay, make sure to continuously save because these laptops are notorious for shutting down. Okay, here's the assignment right there. All right, when you've pasted it, when you pasted the complete assignment here, as before, I want you to delete it. So you want to throw it in your recycle bin. And
Mister,
then,
who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you, I'm told you.
Why?
Empty recycle bin.
You understand.
See, this is why I got to do these videos earlier. Okay, and then you're good to go. If you have any questions, once again, feel free to ask me. I'm more than happy to help, except that one student, you know who you are. So enjoy, everyone.